Okay, today on Facebook, our supermarket calls, they had a video of pulled pork burger, and I thought that looks really interesting. So I got all the ingredients. They had coleslaw in there and slow cooked pulled pork. I bought instead boneless pork shanks, which will be tastier. And then you got the charcoal brioche burger buns. They're really yummy. So all this costs, the meat was $11. This is $2.70 and this was $5. So 11, 16, about $18.70 for the whole thing. That's for 2 people. So we'll put it to the test. I'll cook the pork and make the buns, assemble it, and we'll see how it turns out. Don't go away. Okay, let's prepare the pork. There's the pork and there's the sauce. So we get our oven tray. Okay, here we go. Now for the sauce, for that one, it said mix it with half a cup of water. But I won't be mixing it with half a cup of water. I'll mix it with half a cup of water and half a cup of white wine to give it much nicer flavor. So we've got the white wine. And we'll mix it well.